Hello all. In the previous class, we have learned about communicable diseases. In today's video, you will be able to learn how to prevent these diseases.
So, how to prevent these communicable diseases? What is the prevention of it? Communicable diseases are contagious. Contagious means by touching, by coming in contact, it gets spreads. But these diseases can prevent it. We can stop it if we follow some basic guidelines. Then, which are these guidelines? We have to keep ourselves and our surrounding clean and always wash our hands before eating anything. Since last few months we were disinfecting, we were washing hands before eating, isn't it? And keep the garbage in covered bins. The practice of keeping yourself and your surrounding clean, it is called hygiene. What is hygiene? The practice of keeping ourselves and our surrounding clean is called hygiene. So what we can do? We can use disinfectants in the house to kill germs. Mother always use the disinfectant while cleaning the toilets and bathrooms. Ask your mother what does she use for it. Bathrooms must be cleaned regularly with disinfectant and we have to keep it dry because germs may breed in damp and dark places. The kitchen should also be kept dry and clean. Do you know sunlight is a natural disinfectant? So, sufficient air and sunlight should enter your house. Then keep all bed linen, mattresses and upholstery clean to avoid the growth of germs. Then we have to store the water in clean and covered containers. And whenever we want to purify the water, so we can boil the water to purify it. A water purifier cleans the water. Then whenever we are not using the water coolers, we should make it dry and we should not allow water to stagnate in pots and drains. We can use insect repellents to keep mosquitoes away because mosquitoes breed in stagnant water. We can also use mosquito nets while sleeping to keep the mosquitoes away. To prevent the COVID-19 disease, our government has started the campaign of COVID-19 vaccination. Vaccination is an effective way of preventing communicable diseases. There are different vaccines for different diseases. We cannot take vaccine of COVID to other disease. There are different vaccines are available. When the vaccine of a particular disease enters our body develops capability of killing the germs of that particular disease. So, we develop resistance to that disease. Vaccines are available for many diseases such as polio, measles, chickenpox and whooping cough. When you were a baby, many vaccines are given to you before only. You can discuss it with your parents which vaccine they have given to you when you were a baby and till you become 3 years age. What is epidemic? Many years ago, diseases such as smallpox would affect hundreds of people at the same time. Such widespread occurrence of infectious diseases at a particular time is called an epidemic. Now, the epidemic of COVID is going on. Vaccination against this disease has eradicated smallpox. Then the scientists they have discovered the vaccine against the smallpox disease and now smallpox is not there. The government is currently running an immunization campaign against the diseases which affect young children. Can you name anyone such disease? Children, do you know who was Louis Pasteur? Louis Pasteur, he was a French scientist who discovered that microorganisms cause diseases and also fermentation of food. He developed vaccine against rabies and anthrax disease. He also developed the process of pasteurization to kill the harmful bacteria present in the milk. Is a person allowed who is suffering from a communicable disease to travel or to mix with the people? No, we should not allow such people to get mixed with the community. A person with a communicable disease should be kept away from other healthy people. What is the reason? Because infection should not spread. After the person recovers, all articles such as towels, personal clothes and bedsheet, it should be washed with a disinfectant to kill all the germs. And the person who is suffering from the disease, he also should not share his personal belongings with other people. As precaution, we should follow this. Otherwise, what will be the result? We also will be suffered from the same disease. And if we want to avoid, we should not come in contact with the particular person. We should not use these things and materials. We should avoid all these things. Children, we have learnt in this video how to prevent the communicable diseases. Stay always happy and healthy. Eat the balanced diet. Have a great time ahead. Thank you.